Module 11, AI and Excel for Kids. Excel has AI powers built in. Type a few examples and Flash Fill finishes your list. Click recommended charts and Excel picks the perfect chart. Wizardry. Watch Flash Fill. Type 1 or 2 patterns. Excel guesses the rest. Need a chart? Highlight the data, click recommended charts, pick one. Done in 2 clicks. 3 AI features in Excel: Flash Fill, Control E, recommended charts, 1 click, and pattern recognition. The newest version even has Copilot, an AI you can chat with. Mini project. Create a list of full names. Type the first 2 initials manually. Press Control E. Watch Excel. Finish the rest using AI. Bonus. Try Flash Fill on phone numbers or email addresses. Up next, build your own snack shop business. Pricing, profit, and inventory.